Good morning. Today it is a rainy day and I am in taking a video of my back garden. My back garden, right? Still a work in progress. Has been a work in progress for the longest while ever since I came to this new location to live, right? But I'm working on it. I am working on it. Can you believe I have a drain running behind? Yes, there's a drain running behind. There's a pepper tree. There's some more plants over there. Some plants. That apple tree, I just cut it the other day. Right? That's a wooded area right behind the house. It's raining right now, so you're seeing the lines. These are lines. So I'm not able to get over onto the mountain. But here is a pepper, and I'm picking this pepper. There are some more green ones there. This pepper, right? Some more plants. You hear that sound? It's water rushing out of the hills. Those are the bamboo trees. That's the garden. That's a farm over there, and I am working on that farm. Right, I'm gonna show you a little bit of what's happening down there. That's the drain. The water runs from the mountains and runs right down into the river, which is down below. Right. This is going to be just a short video because it's raining and I'm actually in the rain with just a hat on my head. Just a hat. Yep. That's the ground. There's some of the plants that I have around behind my house. Here. Wow, it's coming down, rain's coming down, and I am going to go in. So remember to like, subscribe, and share. Until I see you again. Rain's coming down in droves. Rain coming down in droves.